UIG Detectors is committed to fulfilling the aspirations and objectives of explorers, prospectors, and those searching for precious metals and hidden treasures underground. This commitment is a priority in our plans to develop and update exploration and detection technology. We are pleased to introduce the world's first patent in modern nanotechnology, the UIG Watch. After extensive efforts in scientific research and field trials across various global locations, including tests conducted around and between the pyramids of ancient Egypt, this device has facilitated the discovery of numerous pharaonic tombs, passageways, and hidden chambers. Then these places were scanned with complete secrecy and ease, without attracting the attention of tourists in those archaeological sites crowded with visitors. Despite the passage of thousands of years, the ancient Egyptian civilization continues to inspire and captivate the world, especially as many of its secrets still elude scientists and treasure hunters who continue their quests to this day. However, nothing is impossible after the release of the latest and the best device in modern technology. The smallest imaging device in the world that works with 3D imaging technology. The UIG Watch is the smallest imaging device in the world, operating with three-dimensional imaging technology. We are excited to offer for the first time in the world of modern nanotechnology this groundbreaking invention, the UIG Watch. Weighing less than 90 grams, it is easily portable and concealable. The UIG Watch is designed to easily explore and search for precious metals, treasures, and archaeological relics, passageways, caves, and voids underground. Additionally, it precisely scans ancient and archaeological walls, reaching depths of up to 20 meters. It can specify depth in meters and centimeters and accurately distinguish between metals and voids. The UIG Watch features 3 advanced scanning and imaging systems. Live Scan System. This device provides a rapid scan of the target site and directly identifies the shape of the buried target or void. 3D imaging systems. Automatic and manual. This system delivers detailed results about the shape and depth of the target with the ability to save the search results. Device components. The UIG Watch device consists of the device carrying and protecting case, the device's main unit quiver, smartwatch provided as a gift with the device home charger with a cable, car charger, smartwatch charger, 2-year warranty card. The UIG Watch device operating procedure. To ensure adherence to the company's product usage guidelines and to achieve optimal results, its team has prepared a detailed explanation of how to use the device to search for targets and accurately determine their depth. First, prepare the mobile phone and connect to the device. Install the UIG Watch application provided by the company on an Android phone. Turn on the device by long pressing the power button. Ensure Bluetooth is activated on the phone and open the application. Press the connection button to establish a connection with the device. A pairing confirmation message will appear. Note, when establishing a connection for the first time, a window will appear to enter the pairing code. which is the number 1000. Secondly, we will explain how to connect the smartwatch to the mobile phone for later use. Note, to establish the connection between the smartwatch and the mobile phone, the specific link and application for the smartwatch Galaxy wearable must be installed on a mobile phone. Turn on the watch by pressing the Start button. Click on the watch icon from the application's main screen to initiate the connection process. Please note that there may be 3 possible scenarios before the connection process. Watch not connected. In this case, the watch is not connected to the mobile phone and it is not ready for use. Click on the Open Wearable app button to access the smartwatch link and program, Galaxy Wearable, and follow the on-screen instructions. Watch connected but UIG Watch Detector application not installed. In this case, the watch is connected to the mobile phone but the search application has not been installed. Press the Install UIG Watch app button to download the application to the smartwatch. Ensure the watch is connected to the internet to complete the download process. Watch ready for operation. In this case, the watch is connected to the phone and the search application is installed, indicating that it is ready for full application use. UIG Watch Search Systems. Live Scan System. This system is used for quick and direct searches for targets, metals, and cavities. First, using the ground live scan system with the smartwatch. To start using this system, attach the device holder to your leg and then turn on the device by pressing and holding the power button, and then place the device into the holder. The device must be straight and stable towards the ground. Press the watch icon on the mobile phone and switch to the smartwatch. You can now close the phone while keeping it near the device. Then open the application on the smartwatch and press the Live Scan button on the main screen of the application on the watch. Wait until the device is calibrated with the soil. Then walk slowly with close steps in the designated search area, while keeping the device stable and pointing towards the ground. Walking should be in one direction, without changing direction. If there's an obstacle, we must remain in the same direction and take steps to the right or left to move away from the obstacle. Then continue walking. If we want to change the search direction, we rotate and stabilize. Press the calibration button and wait until the calibration process is complete. Then continue walking. In the case of detecting a target, the graphical representation will gradually fill between yellow and red, with specific vibrations for targets accompanied by accelerating sound. In the case of detecting a void, the graphical representation will gradually fill between cyan and blue with a specific vibration for voids accompanied by accelerating sound. To determine the target center, we take steps in the 4 directions to obtain the strongest signal. The search screen includes the menu icon, which contains calibration button to recalibrate the device when moving to a different search area or changing direction. Screen off button turns off the watch screen while keeping sound and vibration activated. Exit button to return to the main menu. Secondly, using the ground live scan system with the mobile phone. To start using this system, the device must be straight and stable in the direction of the ground. We click on the live scan system icon on the application's main screen. Wait until the device is calibrated with the ground, and then move while considering the previous instructions. The following elements will appear on the screen. A schematic representation consisting of a gradient square accompanied by a percentage and a chart representing the signal strength level emitted from the target with intermittent sound. Calibration icon to recalibrate the device when moving to a different search area or changing direction. Mute and activate the device sound icon, back icon to return to the main menu. In the case of detecting a target, the schematic representation will gradually fill with yellow and red colors, with a change in the percentage and an increase in the target's chart indicator, accompanied by accelerated sound. In the case of detecting a void, the schematic representation will gradually fill with green and blue colors, with a change in the percentage and decrease in the void's chart indicator, accompanied by accelerated sound. To determine the target center, we take steps in the 4 directions to obtain the strongest signal and the highest percentage. Wall live scan system. To start using the wall live scan system, direct the device towards the wall horizontally and straight. The device should be positioned at a distance of 2 to 10 centimeters from the wall. Maintaining the device parallel to the wall surface should be considered. Before starting the scanning process, it is essential to observe the following steps. Maintain device balance during the search. Scan the same wall where the calibration process took place, and when moving to another wall, recalibrate the device on it as well. Now we proceed by tapping the live scan system icon from the application's main screen. Wait until the device is calibrated with the wall, after which the following elements will appear. A schematic representation consisting of a gradient square accompanied by a percentage of a chart representing a signal strength level emitted from the target with intermittent sound. In the case of detecting a target, the schematic representation will gradually fill with yellow and red colors, with a change in the percentage of an increase in the target's chart indicator, accompanied by accelerated sound. In the case of detecting a void, the schematic representation will gradually fill with green and blue colors, with a change in the percentage and a decrease in the void's chart indicator, accompanied by accelerated sound. To determine the target center, we take steps in the 4 directions to obtain the strongest signal and the highest percentage. 3D imaging system. The 3D imaging system provides accurate and comprehensive results of buried targets, precious metals, treasures, and hallways in three-dimensional images with depth detection capability. First, using the 3D imaging system with a mobile phone. From the main screen of the application, press the 3D imaging system button to navigate to the search properties selection screen, which includes column and step selection page. Specify the number of columns and steps in each column according to the available space in the search area. Soil type selection page. Choose the soil type from the following options: sandy, clay, rocky, or mixed to obtain the best result for depth detection. Search method selection page. To determine the search method, whether it is zigzag, bidirectional, or parallel, where each column is completed before moving to the beginning of the next column. Search mode selection page. Automatic mode can be chosen, where the device captures images automatically while moving. Or manual mode, where you have to press the capture button at each step manually. After selecting the search properties, stand still and stabilize the device towards the ground. Then press the Start button. The device will calibrate with the soil. Upon completion of the calibration, the following elements will appear on the screen. Information section, containing information about the selected search properties, current and remaining columns, and steps. Search status display section, containing a progress bar and a percentage of a survey progress, a box that gradually changes according to the target type, displaying the current captured value, as well as the arrow's direction indicating the direction to move. In case of manual search mode, the capture button will also appear. Sound mute and activate button, and an exit button to return to the main menu. Now, start taking close and equal steps of 30 to 40 cm in the designated search area, while keeping the device stable and directed towards the ground, paying attention to the arrow's direction to determine the steps. In automatic mode, the image will be captured automatically with each step. And you should move one step and wait for the device to capture the image with a capture sound. In manual mode, you should stop and press the capture button with each step. After completing all the steps, a data processing message will appear, and you will be directed to the search result page, which includes top toolbar containing the following buttons. Save, to save the search result within the application files. Reset the image to default. Full screen. Save the shape as an image in the gallery. Information. Percentage bar of the colors present in shape. 3D shape, displaying the steps and columns divided with the search value for each step. The color and shape change according to the search result. If it's graded towards red, it indicates the presence of targets in the area. While if it's graded towards blue, it indicates a space. Toolbar, containing the following icons. Show, hide column and steps lines. Identify the location of the target or void in the search area. Show, hide search values or area information. Control the shape between full 3D, diagram, or 2D. Hide or show the surface or wall in the shape. Control the viewing perspective. Other options also include: select the color map option, increase or decrease the resolution of the shape option, change the background color, change grid line width with color change, change the size of the search value line and change its color, hide or show the color bar. If you wish to save the search results for later analysis, press the Save button on the top toolbar with the option to write the name or notes for the search operation. Second, using the 3D imaging system with a smartwatch. To start, press the watch icon from the application's main screen to activate the operation mode on the smartwatch. You can close the phone while keeping it near to the device. After that, open the application on the smartwatch and press the 3D imaging button. You will be directed to a page to select the search properties, including columns, steps, soil type, search direction, and search mode, automatic or manual. After selecting the search properties, stand still and stabilize the device towards the ground and then press the Start button. The device will calibrate with the soil. Upon completion of the calibration, the following elements will appear on the screen. Percentage, to know the percentage of search progress. Arrow's direction, to know the direction of the next step. In manual scan mode, the capture button will appear in the middle of the screen. Menu icon, containing a button to turn off the screen while keeping the search mode active. And a button to exit the search. Now, take equal steps while paying attention to the arrow's direction to determine the steps. In automatic mode, the image will be captured automatically with each step, and you should move one step and wait for the device to capture the image with the capture sound. In manual mode, you should stop and press the capture button on the watch with each step. Upon completion of the search, a message will appear to save or ignore the search. If saved, the search results will be saved on your mobile phone for later analysis. Accessible from the application's homepage under the Open icon, with a file name Watch, along with the time and date of saving. Notes: for the best accuracy in results, it is recommended to select the maximum possible number of rows and columns. On the main screen of the phone application, there's an icon to open previously saved search files, along with the example of preloaded search operations. Additionally, there's a settings icon that allows us to change the application to the following language: English, German, Spanish, French, Portuguese, Persian, and Arabic. The smartwatch also contains a settings button to control sound and vibration, with examples of vibration for targets or voids. UIG Watch, a product of top-notch German engineering, holds European CE certification by global standards. Additionally, it is internationally certified with ISO 901, meeting global specifications and standards. This device is designed to adapt to various countries and climates. This device is crafted for efficiency across diverse environments and territories. A true exploration journey does not necessarily require venturing into new territories. Rather, it demands seeing with new eyes. We wish you success in your exploratory trips.